Hello, everybody. My people, how na day? How you doing right now? How they go? How na day? Na good afternoon. Please, guys, as you are joining, don't forget to thumbs up this video and share, okay? As you are joining, don't forget to thumbs up this video and invite others. May we put our 10 cents on this issue where they go on, this Asaboro and Monica issue. All right, may we put our 10 cents, okay? Now I know say we dey talk am as e be. We dey always talk am as e be. Eri manaya gbe. How na day, my people. Please join and share this video, okay? Mona join, invite others. So maybe we'll talk about what they go on for Facebook for the past 2 days now. Yawa moving everywhere, all they shake. Everywhere is shaking. Everywhere is being shaked. Yawa so. Mona, let me share, invite others, okay, guys? Because I want to put my 10 cents on this issue. And for all this whole issue where they go on, my people, yeah, for all this matter, I really feel for Asaboro, okay? I really feel for her, but still, I will still tell her the truth. Yes, because this one on social media, we dey advise ourselves here. You understand? She can easily still advise me if I do something where it not make sense. If I see, say maybe she still do something where not too far put, I go fit still advise her. And I also get message for Monica also. But first, may we start with our own sister, own first, Asaboro. Okay, guys. I come across a lot of videos where they trend. Not only trending, I also see how a lot of people don't talk put for this Asaboro and Monica issue. And that very day where Asaboro, our sister, come outside, come they talk about Monica, feel where you want. I will be using Bini, guys. I'll just try my they miss some because of Facebook. I don't need their wahala. Yeah. The day where our sister come at Asaboro, we call the talk say Monica of your way you are, Igo ya inya yekia way what you corner. Though Asaboro not be the first person to accuse Monica of such thing, and she's not the first, she's the fourth person. Okay, she's the fourth person now where they talk again say Monica of your way oha, Monica am your way webo. Now they get me. Now, waiting make a lot of people they vex at this point, because I know say a lot of people they vex with Asaboro. Yes, if you even look, because why Asaboro now our own, and it not be because of say maybe because Asaboro with Monica get issue, so we will be presenter. And so we be one may Asaboro come bring Monica video come out, or may come bring Monica Bekus come out, or may bring something called want a Saga Monica. No, wait till want a Saga Monica. We don't already Saga Monica, yeah? A lot of people don't already Saga Monica in different ways and how they want a Saga Monica. The thing where people get interest for be say, if now somebody now some Monica self go carry and put for head. Now they get me. Let's assume say now any of these presenters where Monica not they follow they talk, or where they know they may, or where they know they flow. Now that they talk about Bekuso, Monica go carry for head. She go even the hawk and they go as the hawk gala. So me, I'm not surprised if anybody, yeah, I'm not surprised if anybody can say they get akpekuso, they share and they go, they down and they go. Me, if I see whether they share, I go still go look. That is the truth. If I see whether they share Monica Bekus, I go still go do waiting. I go still go look after all. Saga OKPAMEN for. You understand? After all, the money where the price are 25,000 euro. She not go give me for inside. So ona ya nyoni sangona anya wayoto menam berege magaikia. I will go there and look, if possible, download the video. If I go fit share and go share. Yes, because now waiting Monica said they do other people. All those Monica fans where they cry so. Now waiting they do people. So una need to accept. You understand? Una need to accept una fate. Are you getting me? Una need to do waiting, accept una fate. Say, na Monica ton, na Monica they also the bolo. Una no need to come they cry, to come they say, the people they look for Monica down for, they look for Monica down for. Monica too, but no one use I see anybody growth for this media. She no one use those I see anybody growth for this media. You know girl Monica never saga for this Edo cyberspace as a big rich. You know girl who she never drag as a big rich. You know get people who don't enter this media where Monica never analyze as a big rich. So if I don't come outside, no this and no peace, everybody go carry Joko come outside. We will come find anywhere the Kwekus day, even though na inside ho, even though na inside Pangolo, anywhere a Kwekus day, we go find and enter inside, go bring and come out. You don't need to say, presenters, they are doing too much. They just focus on Monica. They want, now what Monica said they do, she focus on people matter. Now they get me, so why Salwavik Baba? Are you hearing me? Now, my people, wear me for verse or Asaboro. Let's go to our sister on Asaboro, because Asaboro, my sister, la wo go Saga Sikodao, because Bini they make parable say, I agree. I feel pretend now say, nothing is wrong with what you do, because I don't want my friendship spoil, or I don't want you to see me as a bad person, or may I can't do to you, say na me good pass, I'm too perfect. No, my sister, when you do something that is not okay with me as a friend, I will tell you. Now me be that friend will be say, if I follow you do friend, you do something where not good for I go tell you, say, my friend, this is what you do so. Now fuck up, you know for put. If you will like me, like me. If you not like me, no problem. I'm not get issue. You understand? Now, my people, we are for verse for Asaboro in all this whole matter. When Asaboro come out for that first place for this whole issue about Monica and the people where they Zanzan Monica, you know, she said a lot of things, including Infinity Saga. Yeah? She talk a lot, like say she, she say she dey date Infinity Saga according to her. She dey date Infinity Saga, Monica one can't give glory to Infinity Saga, many things where she talked that very day, yeah. On that very day, all of us did here, I was happy for her because I was like, thank God, Asaboro don't fit stand for herself, make she defend herself, make she fight for herself, even if you go take her to do anything, so far, say, now you're right, you they fight for, and you are saying the truth, and you have evidence, because I always they talk for this media, I say talk is cheap, evidence is key. Now what I always say a lot of people for this social media, talk is cheap, evidence is key. So now we have a verse for Asaboro, say the video where she do, she said a lot. Yeah, she said a lot, and she confirmed it that there is evidence. Even if not in all the whole issue, at least, even if now only that glory you yourself, where you'll be say that one way go sleep with Infinity Saga, fail that stress on, at least if now only that one evidence to prove, say, okay, it was true, Infinity Saga gets something to do with Gloria. Okay, now Infinity Saga, they nyash Gloria. Okay, now make Gloria call the insult all live video presenter inside last year. You understand? You will give us the evidence of that one. Or there is other things like maybe the comment where this woman where they Italy, so where they sell cream, where bleach, where go draw tattoo for hand, where cream not they work for her body. You understand? According to you, my sister, you still to say the woman she go comment for your platform. Monica also Saga the woman say why go comment for your platform, this. You supposed to see get one evidence. At least since the woman later go back to Monica platform, go call, go they talk, say na lie, you they talk. Nothing like that happen. Nothing like such happen. You understand, my sister? At least you, if not me, now that time, I say me other evidence. Me go bring her come outside. I will control we for Edo cyber space. If they like me, they say, hey, they record. If they like me, they say, hey, the video person. If they like me, they say, I go bring her. As I say, you don't dare me say, do one. I go do one. Now they get me. But to say, when are you going to start letting us know about your future, e.g., getting a partner, building a future, your goals, and the whatever, instead of, well, wait first, before I go reply you, what your name, if I don't even, cause let me tell you, if your problem for your life, na about getting partner, you go marry the man, where the man for the whole world. You dey hear me so? If your problem for your life, now so now they push people, una not even reach to pressure me. You dey hear me so? Because you look everywhere and a person they talk better thing and you craze come from nowhere. You not see one better thing talking to say, and when are you going to get a partner? Where you want marry my own, join your own. Now competition. I know they follow anybody do competition. You dey hear me so? So my people, now our sister Asaboro, because if it's real, Asaboro, let me tell you why this matter now they vex me. Because you now our person. Yes, you know our person. And me, I not go like anybody can't use it to they play this kind of play where they use it play. So for this Edo cyber space, including that Infinity Saga. If I tell you that today, for you to even talk say Infinity Saga now your guy, that is, I just look and say, okay, because I not feel judge you, my sister. You get right to choose your partner. You get right to knock anybody you want to knock. As you just sit or say Infinity Saga na your guy, just say okay, make I respect your decision. Maybe you understand. Now wear shoe, no wear shoe for the pain. But for the guy to go another platform, come they go Monica platform, come they make you way beyond girl feel say you don't know what you they do. Abi people come they talk say abi you they sack, abi this girl head no come straight again. I be this girl don't know what she they do. Because now what these people want make you feel like, now what they want turn you to be this. Thanks for joining my lady Vivian. These people want make you feel say, this girl will not know what they talk. This one will not, you understand? Because if I call person my guy, right? Thanks for joining my lady. Thanks for joining my lady Vivian. If I call person my guy, even if say me and you never even if say we get quarrels ass, say 3 months, we never even talk. And the matter can't come out for media, your name can't involve. You no get right to go any platform, go talk something where you know say that thing they against me. Where you know say that thing not follow, like you call yourself my guy. You see somebody husband, the same platform where you go, they call they go they phone support. Thanks for joining Mama Chelsea. The same platform where you go, they call the phone support. That same platform for your koro the woman husband call your wife. They support your wife, even if they say your purpose there everywhere. That one not be issue. Make the breaker come out. Then you, where you call yourself boyfriend, where you say you won't marry somebody, you can't leave your own babe. You can't go they call that same person platform to downgrade your girlfriend. Then at the end, maybe you can't pass back here and say you want to go beg her. Except say maybe they say you be the fake Infinity Saga. Because you know if you even hide forever, you must come outside. You come out now, you come out later, you come out 3 years now, you must come outside. As I say, 1, 2, 3 people don't know you, say, nah, you be the real Infinity Saga, not be even that man with the first saga. You must come outside. And if you come outside, that thing where you they run for so, where make you they say fake account for years, they terrorize the whole Facebook. You go come shop and you go taste and you go feel by yourself. No be person go tell you. No be person go tell you. And my sister Asaboro, for you to come online to come they say man will never marry you. Not be say if it be say na they plan marriage, if it be say the love is deep, but to me, my own experience of what I see for this whole issue, the way I just see this issue where they vex me, so now I tell they talk to you so as a friend. Now you come outside, you call they call boy, man, when no even stand by you. You call they call out your husband, your love, may they live on for you. Because when you fair even start with that guy, say may they live on for you, may they live on for you. You understand? I was like, who go they follow Asaboro, they drag husband again. May they better live on for Asaboro because Asaboro not best way be say she lose. She never dare. I never see Asaboro when she just did this live video. I never see her with this guy here, this one here, this one here. No. You understand? And I think she they do. Don't say she be presenter, but she know they too they do saga. Yeah? So, as she called the talk, I was like, you know, the matter not quick come aside. Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama. I say, thanks for joining. So, me, I just come they look. When I come here say na Infinity Saga, I was like, Infinity Saga? On one period, the mwebo be mweni yagbe. Now Asaboro go they follow. I call your series and I say, okay. If not that one, no problem. Our choice, everything our choice. But for the man now, I say, could you believe say Asaboro say no be the picture will come outside, be the Infinity Saga where he did. Yes, she talk. She said it. I hear that one too. And she even talk and say that picture where it come out not be the real Infinity Saga. Asaboro no be small pikin. Asaboro no be small pikin. Forget say Monica won't try to turn this whole thing around for Asaboro and come make Asaboro feel say she don't know what she dey talk. Asaboro know what she dey talk 100%. And everything where Asaboro talk, if truth no dey, 90% of what Asaboro talk na truth. Don't misquote me. 90% of waiting Asaboro talk na truth. Where me the verse or I be say, people need proof. The whole world need evidence. Like me, now you know if you can convince me about Monica. Me, I already know say Monica na undan. They know they tell me that one. Me, no, and the person know they ask me that one 2 times. I already know say Monica na ashawo. But a lot of people want evidence. A lot of people. Platform there now Asaboro to support you. People are ready to fight this fight with you because first of all, you not find trouble. Secondly, you not do the anything. They just want to oppress you, saga you, bully you, do you anything where they like, which is unacceptable by your friends. Where we did this social media, you understand? But we need evidence because you see, say this social media of these days. Before you know that person will go carry juju. Before person will go carry juju, take scatter person for waiting you not do because juju day, juju day. God day. So before person you go use juju by person. Thanks for joining, Mama Mata. Thanks for joining. Before person you go use the hair carry juju, we don't know where truth and lie day. That is why we also back first. They will say we need evidence. If you feel see more evidence, even if na even want to even prove say that Infinity Saga where you talk now say no be that solo where they bring come out. No be the real no be the real Infinity Saga. Say you get the real Infinity Saga. Even if now only that one you all do first. Say only that one now you your post. You don't even need to do more. The rest people will do their find this. Only that one picture. Your bring out say this is the real Infinity Saga that you dated. You already dated. I believe so una see. Things don't stop. You must get the guy picture. Just post and say, okay, now this one. Then you not going to come tell us, say, now be the real one or not be the real one. Or no, people they will know. Where be say no be only you know the Infinity Saga. You understand? Or if not that Gloria on. If not that Gloria on, where your shop semo, she no wash pot. She go sit down for cash where they never pay finish. For the same, as I say you get picture of Infinity Saga house. You understand? As I say you get the picture of Infinity Saga bed, a parlor, the cash, everything where you get for house. even if not be the whole house, where Gloria just sit down put with that stretch mark, he has said we pot in it. Even if now only that one fair, they give us that one first. May we fair they use that one breathe first. Before we can go gather now, go ask Monica, say Alpha, the cucumber where they say you hold it big. Just show us, we don't, you know, say go lick it, and it must lick. Kukuma bring the tea by yourself. Come on, may we look at. Since Asaboro said she dey UK, she no want leak. I don't know why you say you dey UK, you know if you bring Monica because Monica wey be see, she don't bring a lot of people. Nyash and Bekus come out. She know you understand? Monica wey don't bring a lot of people. Bekus come outside. You know how many people so faint go hospital. Nobody Bekus when Monica never analyze for a platform. You not get all those videos. If you post her on, if you post her on, she not go even get met or go any station. Now me they tell you. She not get met or go any station. All the video where she dey post people on, you will go cut her 1 minute. You will go, you know sabi do case. You will go put her for all this pen drive. You will go load down inside. You will put her for envelope, pack and go cut. She not fit do you yente. Nothing where she go fit do you. You will say, he do your person. Now you self do one back. Do me, I do you. They know the bad person put for court. Even though they want to give you 5, they will give her 2. They will give her 2. You understand? At least prove something to us. Me, I know say, even if everything not be truth for what you they talk, my sister. I know if you say now, say 100% everything you said is true. But I know say 90% of what you talk, truth they inside. But the problem now is where is the evidence? Because where will they ask you evidence? So we like you. That's the truth. We like you. That's why even they tell you say, my sister, you bring this evidence. He said, na Saga King Star she date. I know that guy na Infinity Saga. Now that Saga King Star na be Infinity Saga. If na he be the Infinity Saga, no problem. Even that Saga King Star, I hear say don't first date somebody around me, which not be me go cut up that one. They say that Saga King Star, if you all call them, go say maybe they show her poo, maybe they show her different things, maybe they show her different things. According to her, I don't fit hear it matter or you know they na Saga King Star. I don't know whether na you be Infinity Saga. I don't know whether na you be the because now don't they get fake, they get original. They say you all get one Saga King Star. Only they say that one, he go call they do the camera down. Let me put it that way. They say they do the camera down. He said there are people out there to support her. Yes. So Asaboro, this game now, when you think say na joke, so this game now, it is either you play and wear. It's either you play and wear, even if not to gain anything, but to gain your dignity, my sister. To gain your dignity, to gain your stand as a truthful person, to make people trust you. Because now, a lot of people, they lose trust on you one by one. I just they tell you the fact so. A lot of people they lose trust for you. And if Monica don't use this thing, pursue people who is supposed to stand by you, finish. Trust me, Asaboro, Monica saying they come up for Facebook. Monica never come up for Facebook. Oh. Monica is coming for you brutally. Don't go mark this thing why I tell you so. Monica, Asaboro, I'm telling you this as a friend. Monica, when you think say she's not doing Saga again, hell, Monica want to pursue your supporters first. Monica, they come for you. Now me, I'll tell you this one, so go write her down. Because everything you said about Monica, not truth. But she won't make you do and not say. She won't turn people against you first. When it comes to say people cause leave Asaboro, truth not there, matter, beg, make she they go. Once people don't declare you like that, say truth not there your mouth, Monica will not come for you. Monica will not come for you. That time, even if you come they talk, nobody go even want hear what you they talk. I just they tell you the truth. Nobody go want even hear waiting you they talk. Even if now one thing you want just tell Monica, say, Monica, why were you after my relationship? Waiting concern my relationship. Why you carry this guy? Go if now only that one you don't get the evidence. Go straight with that one. Just go straight with that one. Bring the evidence. You understand? Bring the evidence. Let people not say, okay, Gloria, so you failed for music industry. You failed for movie industry. Now I'm a presenter, they follow drag bowler. So that we will send Gloria back to the industry where they for throw away her. First. Before we'll come say, okay, what is now the next? Say maybe you just talk all these things, you not prove anyone, you know, and you see how people come outside that very day to support you. A lot of people share your video. You don't know, say that those kind of people, if you even get respect for those people, Asaboro, you need to give them the evidence. Some, even if not all, at least prove your word worthy to these people. Do they understand me? Prove your, because you'll be like me, so that is why since I've been on those cyberspace, I don't they go almost 2 years plus now, 3 years. Nobody don't ever bring juju paper for me. Nobody don't ever summons me for juju place. Nobody don't ever say quick on your name, con juju. Never, because I go fight you with the truth when I know say it dey your body. If you like, when they deny, say you're not doing. The one I want to prove, I will prove it and prove it and prove it. People go see her, say yes, this thing where queen they talk, now true she they talk. But you where they deny, they will not say you they deny. And last, that truth go still come to light. People must see and say, ah, we really talk this to you. Yes, now so me soft they do my presenting. That is why nobody don't ever bring juju paper come for me. And nobody don't ever bring paper of a dynamic come for me. You they get me so, my sister, because this issue why they tell you, Monica will drag you. Yes. Monica will drag you. Not only Monica with some of her fans. They will want to oppress you. I just they tell you. They will also want to oppress you. They won't go they bring juju. You'll see I tell you. They also they bring juju paper for you. They also they bring, in short, they also they follow you. They no truth. They no say na truth you talk. Oh. They also they fake ritual overnight on her head. Holy Ghost fire go burn that one. Nothing where she go do it go work for Asaboro body. Because if really say Asaboro know all these things about Monica and there's evidence, Monica know if he even agree me Asaboro they breathe. She no go agree make Asaboro breathe. That is why she come with this one to tarnish Asaboro name. Asaboro, is it that you they protect the relationship where it already sour so? Are you trying to protect a already soured relationship with this what is that they call her Infinity Saga? Because you thought say na back mic where be that one will be like cheap passing, so you say na Infinity Saga sister according to you, because you say that one are your mother-in-law. Abi, that's how you Abi your sister-in-law. You say she'd already run leave Monica. And now for your present koro, Beckman go call into Monica platform. They insult you. And now your boyfriend sister. I don't understand that kind of relationship, my sister. Please, can you come and enlighten us? Say, where did they go? Is it that they blackmail you with anything? Are they using anything to blackmail you, my sister? Because this whole matter, so where would they look like place? So blackmailing don't fall inside. Yes, blackmailing don't fall inside. The way Monica was running after bloggers and unblocking fake account, I know something was wrong. Yes, Of course, I know say Asaboro the told truth, but I think no be Beckman be her sister-in-law. Okay. You understand? I think blackmailing don't they enter inside this whole issue. Asaboro they blackmail you. These people don't they blackmail you because if na the Monica, if na the real Monica Infinity Saga, where you tell us now say na be your guy. Don't be surprised say that guy if you don't carry your camera down, go give Monica. Don't be, because before that guy go Monica platform, go they downgrade you. They bully you, they drag you. You will be your girlfriend. They write what they write. Which kind play they play like that? Which kind play they play like that? In the Infinity Saga, no say ambush never one day. Do as you know, say Monica and Asha, everything we know about Monica. You don't ever see Bruce one day come online, come talk down Monica. They don't want Asaboro say if she bring out any quakus, then go bring out her own. Because this their issue, a lot of this their you'll be like politics. Oh, this their game don't they pass the way we tell the singer. Because the first Asaboro when me see for that first video, no be sure I can't they see again now where they talk on all this issue. Because I know Asaboro to be a fearless person. Wait till they will just threaten you Asaboro rich like that where we say you not going even give us any evidence. Gloria, oh, you not give us. Who be the Infinity Saga, you not give us. Who be the this one, you not give us. It's a Ashawo classic. Okay, Gloria, me now want me interest. That one, no, also we get unfinished business. Now that one me your friend, me friend no so money can Ashawo. That Gloria, oh, me want me interest iba. Pot where she take it where she no wash. Me you want to leave everything like that. You want forgive them. No do like that. They know they do like that. Because to forgive is good though. But it will make you look like me, I hate that name. That. It no good though. You know you're good, my sister. I know good. If the man where you claim say na your guy, if he can come out to disrespect you in that manner, you too disrespect her. Now you be even the beg. The time where you they beg, that time my sister, where they ask about where they beg, say, "Wala, baby, Infinity Saga." I just the comment section. You not let me tell Asaboro say, Asaboro, I forgive him. Yeah, I just they say, I just fed the last say, hey, may Bishop come out first. May Bishop come out first. Yeah, you go okay via your home. I'll come apologize to you if you later still marry. I'll come apologize to you. Say Asaboro the big. You want me Infinity Saga we ga. Kamete we no ga zage page. You know. Thanks for joining a party to new generation. Thanks for joining. Long time no so. Asaboro. Una they get me so my people. I'm telling you guys the facts. Asaboro, bring evidence and reclaim your stand on Edo cyberspace. Don't let anybody use you to shine. Don't let anybody threaten you. What about a person? Is she safe? Oh, you say waiting. Nuts. You say what of if we fight, if we finish fighting for Asaboro for Facebook, whether she dey safe? Like I no get her. Who they born a papa where want go touch Asaboro? Which person they born a papa where want go touch Asaboro? You know how many presenters there UK where won't press Monica neck twister? Talk less of say when they will go get evidence hold for heart. You think say those presenters no go come back Asaboro up? You know how many people want back Asaboro up for this issue? But we just want real evidence. Nobody gets her to come the fight. Yeah, fight. Where we say you go come like say when but nobody get that time again. Social media don't advance. Now we deal with evidence. Now evidence. If you want more craze for you, give us evidence. Even these days, you carry case, go give presenter, say, see what the person do, you person do your money, or person chop your this one, person just bring evidence. Once you bring evidence, go relax, leave the rest for presenter. Which presenter? Presenter go contract presenter. As me did this Italy, so one presenter, even though you thought you short, you can't come out for years. As I say, you be presenter, you can't come and say, Queen. So you have been doing Saga for the enemy years, and I'll be going to arrest you. I'm going to eat you for this. You go pay me. You go see. You go pay me. Your pint go here. You go pay me. As I say, you be presenter. You go threaten me for my own cabin, for my zone, for my area. Presenter. I bet forget that thing. When I talk back and say, is she safe? Then one go use gun take my hand. If she not safe, now that one even good pass. As the Monica go they do that video, she will they follow up any life threat or what screen record there. Any life threat, like as Monica come and say, I bet who know Asaboro full name. You don't know say that in a threat. Why you not put on Jonas or no address? Only that thing where she died. I beg, who know Asaboro full name? Meaning you they look for her. Yes, you they look for her. She go carry that thing. She will first go police station first. Why I you to? So person like this they look for. What's it happen? Not in a Facebook. Facebook matter. They know they talk her for court. How many times I go tell now? Say they know they talk her for court. Court go tell you say block the platform. No they wash her again. No go there again. Talk less of presenter where say you talk I talk. You curse my back, I swear for your mama. You call me a shower, I bring your pekus come out. The one where they call the Asaboro say, Asaboro never born. Make it go born first. Make imagine that then I will come. You call me say I never born. I bring your pekus. We'll go court. We'll go court. Even if now 5 years we'll go they do it. I bet God does this self defense. Man, not gonna fear like that too. So please, you see, I believe Asaboro was set up through the guy. That guy, if that guy have been going around, if not that's what they call him, says Saga King Star, that guy have been going around, dancing around presenters, collecting their ototo ahara. Though and now what did they tell me? Oh, inside house. Now person tell me. I not talk now. Say na me. I heard you. They tell me. Oh, I was there. Now person tell me. Say this guy. So if they go, they ask presenter. I know why you call that presenter. Name back myself. If not, I for tell now presenter where go they follow and they do camera down. And for your tell now the name of the presenter where go they follow and they do camera down. So for you come go see involved for Asaboro, but say now it come be the Infinity Saga. Now it work be that. They blackmail women for a living. Now, when I don't make Asaboro fall in love finish, when I come they make her they feel say she don't know what she they do. When I want come make her they do not say I be her head not correct again. I be her head sick or this because this one not be Asaboro when me know. Asaboro is the list of guests where go come and call it and say so that from here a male man where she never marry. Asaboro will be traditional Bini woman where even they advise Bini woman self. He said that guy and Frank get the same Ashawo character. But Frank will not be going to, Frank not they go platform to platform now. This one, you go first come to they give you star first. Now star it they enter their body, oh, star. You go first start to they give you star first. You your feel say, oh, he's a good fan, he's an enemy supporter. From there, if you be person where they could make friend because me make work big bomber. I get friends, but he work big bomber. That's why friendship they come with they beat me well because though the verse for me quick wait your one they know they see your call not beside the phone but he go big bomb and not sabi do one. If you be person where sabi big bomb and so you just he go just call you. He said the guy is Infinity Saga, trust me. I go believe you because now fake account they rule this edo cyber space. If now that Saga King Star where me know is working for Monica, if now Saga's King Star make Asaboro talk. Talking around the bush. Yes, now that will make me all the verse on Asaboro and say, Asaboro, let us know. No cover for her again. Is it the Infinity Saga where we know? Somebody is calling me, guys. I take this call. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Okay. We are listening.
Okay, yeah. My sister, the matter, get us if they are not lying.
That's a journey, Mama. Yeah, talk to us with the
Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon. You see this matter, so even I just see that let's say I call this get that Vera. At least one small audio where that one still play. You see, say Monica Koro enters.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
just more people.
Yeah.
But the way Asaboro boss reached how many days ago, we don't let people sleep. At least just give us one small thing.
Evidence.
Well, even tell us, okay, you they talk truth. She just rake at the end of the day. Why are you pushing, why are you swanning? UK na mayaji mana. I be Monica no ya sue anybody we cut.
Monica me be on your magbon. Monica me be na ye cut.
5 years in here. Monica ye cut. You why ya threatening Asaboro? Asaboro even mad at all. Then number 2. For Asaboro to even come and say the date Infinity Saga. Infinity Saga na go lock ya when my gone ma ya mukpo then am we guy ni. Who be mo pa ma agbe so we want na bona ya my friend I have double me way to dead desperate. When I want Infinity Saga man she forehand child I not go lie you she forehand. Though it can't when live where maybe you ham way but waiting. That's why okay who set it be now waiting finish it be now end the swing.
Yes, a matter Nikki.
Okay. If you not even play the thing or you not feel share it,
give her out.
Use fake account, pull that to
Sharon, yes.
But like the do that where she wear fake account to send them, you prove it all.
Prove it all. I'm here, boy. Yeah.
I'm here, boy. Prove it all. But like any time itself, if you move my baba now with social media, all those things. A matter but you never need 5 years. Here you drag here. I make no face. I might wear winning my baba. A Monica a cut of man or ye. Asaboro proof. They talk a lane. We no one send up marriage. Then look at it. No, one classic Gloria. I mean, a plastic Gloria.
Or a picture of the Infinity Saga. We no fear ladian. Inya very running. So we no fear the picture ladian.
Akikon or Italy. Only there. Over right away. If they born you well, bring the proof. People don't dare you. What do you consider wait?
Yeah.
The thing really they very annoying shower. Not even before they only make our time now we get any proof.
No, she not go do like that. She not go do like that because this time.
Never support her because he go follow Luna hand though. Mona never support her at all. If not, now shame. Now everybody will tell her she not get any proof. Every prove it up, but why did they support it? If I went at your bonnet, but why can they support it? Since but
Marty was here, in drag, they go drag her, they will drag her. Yeah, drag her, Asaboro no be here, they will drag her.
Invest on life, not even college grant. Say, what I call even the fear. So, my number one enemy come my marriage. Hey, so about say we are mother poison in hell. You know what that kind of thing, the way they tell person. Say, number one enemy, they marriage. Oh, no, I have video with good and face up for Yadoman of you, where you not be man, be not bano.
Yeah.
It is very disrespectful. Anyway, continue the thing.
We'll see. So, my messy people, our sister Asaboro, Ubega in a way, the same thing, Emma Yitana. You see, and I say, everybody, you know why me they talk so? Me, I already see where this whole matter go to end. If you not bring evidence, come aside. I already know why it go to end. One, first of all, where you for your first fuck off first. For you to come aside, when they do my mom, my husband. You know, say we will just be single. So I know say fine, but all of us go marry. We will marry the right man. You know, say we will be single. So now we dey lecture ourselves about ourselves. Oh, come online. Man will never marry you. Even the relationship self is not straight. Well, because they do my mom. You remember what they do if you where they do my mom. Oh, tell her say get inside. Man will never marry you. You go come and they do my mom. Where you get that one for the apple. So Asaboro, that same thing that you they do. So this infinity way they talk say my husband, my husband, my man. It won't be like if you matter. Not be you supposed to do this kind of thing. That one a first of all, that one a first. And now, they want to the thing, say, the Infinity Saga where you date, no being the real Infinity Saga. Like, many say you can't be small picking. So you be small picking, I will be say, before man put your pints like this now, can't even put something, join something. Or I can't date for maybe a year or 8 months. You no know man where knock you, or you no know man where you dey date. Now be wetin they want to do you now. They want make you feel say maybe wetin you dey talk your that is here that is here where magba. Let me put it that way. You understand? Then now they say the infinity saga where you date, because me don't know how they tell know the one where you date. I don't know how they tell know the one where you date, because you never tell anybody the man where you date for the first place. But then I thought they talk said not be their own infinity saga you date. Now another one now you date. You see? So you need to prove that one where you date now. May we know whether not the real one or not the fake one. We need to know. They said the accusation where you accuse plastic rubber Gloria ni for a movie edo industry. That one you need to bring the evidence. Let's, as you say, remove you just cancel Monica Bekus. Now we find no say Monica Bekus not go good. After all, when she did that video, you bought now every day she they use and scratch there. So we already know, say, nothing good they come out inside that Bekus. Even though we see according to reliable source, they say cucumber where she they put for Bekus. Wait till you what and very big. They say oh, boy use fertilizer plant that cucumber. And Monica yako there. No gazien you way. Oni sanzien you way. That one no fit deny for Monica because Monica na chawo. I no fit deny that one. But you see the rest so when people draw the paddle so because people you offer the pause Asaboro. People never want it because video where be say people will take the saga you. Now Monica will come they analyze last. I just they tell you video because you be like say you call people say wa bumere o inidi yobo wa bumere o inidi yobo. Now people can't come for you even when they never even know what happen. They don't even already they support you, they fight, they help you, they fight. At the end now you can't be say wait you call them for, wait you gather them for, or things when you explain to they say they go on wrongly. Wait people they do you wrongly where they already come defend you once and for all. They'll come, they find out now, say, all those things, well, why you just wake up for one afternoon, you don't life, you can't begin the cause crack like that, you begin the chat for nothing, say, like, say nothing happened to you, because this matter is deep, Asaboro. Or did they blackmail you? Are they blackmailing you? Because we need to know what is going on. This matter don't they grant for a very long time. Even when you they come out that time, his sister, my husband's sister, they now presenters, they follow presenter. They'll go talk their own for that side. And how they talk my own, yeah. They'll go, you understand me if you get interest for this. As I come for Infinity Saga, I say, can Infinity Saga? My person who has seen the video. One lady, is it not all that they call her? That one too say she get the video. They say Beatrice Ogbaika, according to what I hear, they say Beatrice Ogbaika also get the video. Nelly Black Gold also get the video of Monica Bekus. You understand? So Asaboro, this time, you know, you be intelligent somebody. Not when they behave like person where you don't know what the meaning of what they call her. No, just no, don't even do this. Don't do this. Trust me, soon or later you go regret her. Yes. Soon or later you go regret. Even if say you won't even delete your platform, say you want even come out for Facebook, it's better say now you tired for Facebook, you come out. Then you can't be say now lie where she talk like follow everywhere, enough it defend itself. Now the portion is very bad. Is very bad. In as much say you don't want to do follow Monica, you don't want to share Monica Bekus, but there are other things where you talk, where you supposed to bring evidence. Because the thing they vex a lot of people. Forget say maybe me they talk now because why? You feel they say, well, Queen, now Queen they talk almost 130, 150, now they watch us for year now. You, my sister Asaboro, we need the evidence, even if not glory you. Even if na glory you bring and come out. Infinity Saga since you know the real Infinity Saga, because na guy where you date, you touch a phone, you go into details, yeah? You know things, you know what you they talk. The guy don't even save you any face. For una to go call Monica platform, they talk anyhow, they talk, they write. That one not be love, oh. You understand? At least you don't get clear to you now say the guy play you. You get? He don't dare clear to you now say the guy play you. So you now to free yourself and get, no matter anything where happen, maybe the love was too big, you need to first of all defend yourself. So that even the guy, if not be even the real finisher, I'll be the real finisher. So I go no say you know they lie. You understand? You have to prove yourself to your husband, people, to the mark back, your friends, your followers, your cyber space people. You have to prove yourself. Say you know the lie. You know what you are saying. You they get me so because how you go just you said the Lord like you'll be like me now. She when my own matter you say I put that the way that they follow me they go say goddaughter. They say they give goddaughter money. Yes, I be goddaughter. They give me money. I don't ask. 2 years plus, I be 3 years plus, so I tell no the person. Now she take give me that money, when I see for that receipt. Okay, that 2 years plus, all the receipts, they said now so she they pay my rent, now so she they pay this one. That receipt when they bring come out, rent they inside, name they inside, monthly allowance they inside. How much be that? If let's assume say 100 euro, maybe 100 euro once in 2 months. Mona calculator for that amount for 2 years plus. Even if say she give me the money, no be people fans back. Monica when they drive Vela. Which work Monica work they buy Vela? Thanks for joining my lady Sandra. Which work Monica work they buy Vela? No be fans buy for her. If not that original Infinity Saga. Yes, nah. Una they get me. So fans they do something for person, not be new thing, not be Mrs. Starter. But when people want use and say follow me, they play all those kind of play. Una say what I do. I beat them to coma. What I do then? I beat them with evidence and proof. Carry their face where they find their justice. Asaboro, now so person they do something. You have to stand for yourself and hold your ground. A lot of people are with you because you be nice person. You be person where be say you never just see to insult people for this media. You never see to insult people. You always they suffer, they do your things, they go. If matter just see on yourself, you see talk your whole put small for the way lawa. That is why a lot of people get interested. These people no feel use Asaboro go like that for free. Imagine when people come ready now to go war with you. You where get fight now, you come they talk say, you don't want to why you your friend come and say I can't talk now? Everybody don't already muzzle down. That's okay. Let the war begin. I be they blackmail you. Yes, now somebody say my lady son said the truth is that Monica knows the guy personally. Yes, for what do they call now? Plastic Gloria. For Asaboro to also mention say Monica they give Plastic Gloria the condemn Iyamomonobun for the guy. I know 100% say that one are truth. Because why Asaboro not call any other person name? Why Asaboro not call UK gets many for them? Why he can't go call Classic Gloria? And if you look at that Gloria with Monica, they're not fair they play. Now when Monica with this Infinity Saga and Plastic, they don't they do. Now we come they see Gloria for UK. Now they see her with Monica. They see all of them. Yeah, Coco way Gloria wo they want me wodo. Yeah, ye want me the UK nya je kia nya wodo. Ede Gloria wa we do agbon. Gloria. Kagbon we. Hey, salobo. Shame and disgrace. If I they see all these things, me go they imagine say God. Which kind of relationship people they get? We don't for they see una relationship. We want me relationship what? First of all, person go you use account, you stay right you for Facebook. Proud mom, that one, I go assistant for that one. Because then on Facebook you see her husband. Man go you use fake account, stay right you. Fake accounts. No be even say real accounts. Now just day okay. Now you start relationship like that. Now just the friend and fast. Now don't they see things. He said them they blackmail her. I know very well. I know say they blackmail her, yes. And they go use Asaboro, not be smart, they tell us so, my people. That is why we don't need to leave our puts. We don't need to leave our puts. So the truth will come out. I just hope so. Because if we vex Asaboro now, because presenters, I know the way we tell they operate. We feel decide, say anytime, because see, they our mind, so now we not see the thing. Anytime she go, come to bring and come out, we know we won't talk again, because we can't say, to say they not call the saga, and I don't know say go bring the evidence. Me only do the saga, and wish she no go fit. I know say fine, she go talk her once as she want to, but she no go fit. Let the word begin for another person matter. Who should be let the word begin? I say war, let the word begin. I not say word. For no, it say for another person. Who should another person matter? Not be social media, all of us. The one person matter and everybody matter. Eh? Princess Omo, one person matter and everybody matter. Now so Monica they do people. Yes. I bet the video of Monica na fake na AI. AI cannot generate video where go just carry Monica face. Even AI not sabi go buy cucumber for market. They say Monica ho cucumber big one. AI not fit go market go buy cucumber. You will go buy size of the one with Monica. You know not meet Monica don't pack all those Ekiane will come out for live video. If person woman beef they pack those rubber way that all those Ekia will be past this bottle water while they drink, so they pack and come out every day. Waiting which side the BT say go buy for cucumber. AI cannot price cucumber for market. To close or say one buy. I buy what AI go yopu cucumber for Isaiah Onisa. I wait to Azian Onisa na we Azian you go experiment. Oga experiment or believe and that is why skin not even good to start with. What if she come back then later they have the upper hand because she already associated herself with him? My sister, me, as I did so, they not born any man away for a life, for a full life. As I did so, when me did so, you not get what you want to follow man do tomorrow, whether man will hold me accountable to anything. If you like, as I say now you wrong me, I go compress you. I will compress you and your life. In short, you not go even want to see that bad side of me. Talk less or say relationship what we do. He sweets me, sweets you. You want use and tell me. Oh yeah, try am. One girl when they regbeguye. Why una just dey relationship, you go just be like say na one mocha form. I be una dey show. I be not be this toxic relationship where me they see. I be una only get the one until they dey. He said, I be they do. You got una till they do now. Now this one that they talk about, say, Queenie, he say, Asaboro don't love Vamu. Asaboro don't go love Omila. Asaboro can never love that kind of person. Which love? I told them they start to do see love. Now juju they use for Asaboro juju. If really say Asaboro love Infinity Saga, now juju they use. Before Infinity Saga go they toast Asaboro. Asaboro never know. You never hear Infinity Saga cassette for this those cyberspace. Maybe they put ourselves. He said, Queen, I go marry you for one of my sons. Your son. Hey, Baba. Why you get one? Since now your son go, the marriage go fast. Because I say maybe your friend or hey, you call be long process. No, now why son is fast process. Asaboro, not let anybody use love wound you. A love you now. Two people they enjoy now. Say one person want use until they tie one person neck. I bet give her Chinese karat. May find one place sit down. Or what job the total if you stand up there, no be you go even push you go see and say they run, they go. Now run, you go run past you. Don't let anybody, if you like me, get your kwekuso. Because they use kwekus, they blackmail you. Don't fall for those kobo. Because if you fall, they are going to use you for a lifetime. Not be new thing. Not be you start and say, man, get your kwekus. I know say you don't still be that kind of girl, but say it can't happen. Say maybe one and they do anything for bed, the guy can't record down or anything. My sister, not be the end of the world. You not be small picking. Papa, you not be get where they jump from man to man, from media. And Smith Day now said, any accident when me get for relationship now, everybody for this social media, you're not supposed to even rub me powder. And tell me, Queen, stop crying. You tried your best. It's not easy, our daughter. You tried. Because he may was here. How many years that don't they do about space? Now don't hear one they say, Mona come oh, one boy don't take Queen oh, now so they press neko, hey, now so Queen, you know they, now say all those, I just they look now, I just they laugh. Once I start my own, anybody no come blame me, say, hey, Queenie, see you now. No. Nobody should blame me. Oh. Yes, because now I'm trying to be a good girl. Many of them not even notice. Not even notice. I just, they try to calm down. They do good girl. So, don't let anybody do it. Don't let any, in short, if na man, don't let any man come they make you come they do like say you be a call for where. See, Asaboro is in deep love. Which kind of love be that? I bet my sister, not there any love. Forget love. The man go there, he go Monica platform. If na me, now as I hear a voice on that platform, I'll fair Matty Bishop first boy like this. Then when I be saying you don't draw the Saga bell, you're more Chris. Not be say maybe by that one they'll tell say the woman to get respect. No, this one, even the boy village people go know say you they lie. They want label you liar. They want label you batting. They want label you say you don't know what you they do. They want label you say you I be like you are not correct. You not call the phone say you be good wife. My sister, forget good wife for one place. May you do things the way it's supposed to be. Retain your step. Make sure say yes, you collect your dignity. Thank you, my lady. You understand? Not for anybody do that one, oh. You don't know how many years you take there where you be this thing. He said, we all notice queen, you are responsible lady. You know they do give away with your body. You understand? Now see they give me up because of my easy. Do you know how many guys they call my DM on a daily? You know how many guys? Well, you just all this money, all these people with me, they Saga for those about they say they know the same boys they call my inbox. For when they post boys number every day, I know they post like 3 every blessed day. But me, once I just see and you tell me say, hey, excuse me, I'll just block you because I get one belief say, even if I want to get married or I want married or I dey desperate for man, not before fake accounts, my husband go pass con. Never. No be fake account, you go pass con. Buy tickets anywhere where you dey. You will buy ticket, use your 2 leg. Go in short, you will locate where they go, which place are they like to they eat, where they like to they do shopping. You know, you fit come meet me inside boutique if I they do shopping. Come pay for my shopping. Come collect number face to face, grand to grand, stand for my number. Say you will go short. One kind short for a fake account. Say you won't come toast me. You understand? So now when they do that relationship, I don't know how soon until they do. This social media, what this, I know them because of man. I'm here for the kind of phone women need now different phone. No be phone of I will come and say, okay, man, let's do something. I want to take no. I'm not calling here for serious. I don't even need serious relationship from fake account. I don't need that. What am I gonna do? Man, where you tell say, I want to call you on video call, go run, go off light. You go run, go off light. Most of those fake accounts, man, where they'll call your WhatsApp, they never even talk to you once. The next thing, can you send me your picture? Can you send me your picture? For picture when I use 1008 phone, take snap. May I send that for you when they use Samsung of 200 euro? For inside WhatsApp, man, send that for you. And they come and send that for you. As a woman, there are things we need to do for this media. Me, they beg all of because if one thing for this media, if one thing happen to, if something happen to one, where if for happen to one, and there for happen to all of us. Me, I'm not there perfect as you see me so. It better say I go back to my ex. When me your know say, you know they social media. No, even if they watch Saga, you know they do Saga. In dies. I know her face to face. I know her personality. I know he has everything. It better say I go back to her than to come they say and why can't they listen to wait toast with fake account when they toast me. Fake account now I can't even get fake account. The one where the whole media don't swear for. The one where be say the whole media don't swear for where be say till tomorrow till next tomorrow people they sit down the babada infinity saga say the day where they will their hand go meet him mama or his papa or himself. How can you go and fall in love with such a person? My sister, Asaboro. The only thing now when you go for you take you for use the clean sheet throw away say me you be think say me go date you. You be think say me go serious with you. I just enter your life to pick things. I don't pick the thing and you can go to where I'm born to ashes. Una too they show me so una too love them. Eh? Now with the papa them, the pampers them. You cannot carry what be your pampers. Men don't like that kind of thing. Just be yourself, be real. Be real, be yourself. No be by a woman they do, you they do cool. Now man go take you serious. Men like crazy women. If you don't know now, I tell you. If you the pet, it to say that Infinity Saga, say na your real guy. Say, it to say you show us some way as soon as they date, so, during that una relationship, so, you show us some way. You know, say you self, you the craze normally. Fear no go let her come, Monica, put your name for a mat. Say you want talk anything where you concern you. If you come, Monica, say, mama, yes, so one person when they come my name. I don't know the girl they come and you say they come and I don't know what is your happen. I be mona take an easy anything one they do mona talk and mona take an easy now woman matter not fit to put. Your court of fear no go let her mention your name. And because you don't over pamper, you don't look and say now you feel may can't try that thing with person where you go fit do this thing with Infinity Saga do. So if you try with Sarah, if you try this thing with Sarah T-Boss, and say I'm a what better with one see. If you do it with Sarah T-Boss, you know fit. May the look face. May like race women. He said, if you don't make my finish, give me your address for Nigeria. Make we go pay your bride price. Okay, my husband, mama. That gonna that was my mama. No problem. You know, they get me. Not be saying make math. It's real. I say, woman, hold your ground. Love, they fine. We'll play love, we'll go beach, we'll go shopping, we'll do things. We'll knock normally, yet. But if time of grace, you're sick, tell the man, say, make it stand, wait till they stop. They follow and they talk, and they lose some women, they'll say, hey, my husband, dear, say, they make up. I'll just kind of fear for a toilet, I'll flush them. You know if you do me anything, if you just give me one slap, I'll go lie down for tired road, I'll go the shark there. You know if you do me one thing, nothing if you do me. Men like those kind of women, they pamper them, they pamper them, they pamper say area. Don't pamper us when you so they don't even respect your woman again. You don't even respect your woman. Woman when deal with when dating mate with wanna do things. But now say that for don't post him mama and papa yes now. The Infinity Saga, he don't follow this whole face, but he do okay. Why not go miss Sarah? He don't see Sarah that time. Where Sarah be? Why not go miss Sarah? Sarah ma did your OCL Facebook now. They look face. Saboro, you too calm for all these things. Please, this matter so try to not just leave this issue like this. This matter never ends. Because Monica is coming for you. That's the truth. Your fair knock. May you know say you don't knock. Let Monica come out and analyze. It's more better than Monica now go come dey analyze video where people they talk now say hey, Asaboro you too they lie. Asaboro you lie. Asaboro is not, it was not true. Asaboro you were telling lies. Asaboro you were this. Asaboro you were that. Eh? Waiting you not be now. The one they bear you that thing for this social media worldwide. Worldwide, everybody will come and say Asaboro they lie. Asaboro they lie. Whereas now you know they lie. Because say you want to prevent something. People will guess what to say they want to make the thing spoil. They are not using Asaboro. Now Europe they use person. For this Europe, now they use person. Asaboro na small picking. Even though the guy tells you get your bekus, no problem. Leave Monica bekus first. We know say her where they she no baba leave that side first. Gloria own. All that things. Give us evidence, tangible evidence. Secure your stand first on those cyberspace. Not only on those cyber, outside those cyberspace. Secure your stand. Make people know that you know they lie. You know what you are saying. You don't drink. Once you secure your stand, finish. Then you will go see what you go on. Even though if Monica can later come they cry. Oh, you know say leave her. Now beat you Asaboro beat and now they cry for. But like this now. If Monica come out now come they insult you, we know fit to say Monica they cry. Because she now go come the phone victim now say you accuse her wrongly. Wait till you talk about her and like talk. She will want the phone victim. As I too like to talk and laugh on. Okay? Please, I beg go leave Asaboro for us. I beg la go. You understand? Please stand your ground. Forget love. Which kind of love? Love they fine. Forget all those. That is why you see me since I did this edo cyberspace. Few people when I even see get where be say that they talk to me as a man, and people want I know say yes. I know they reach house. I know and reach house. Go. I know and reach house. I know and reach house where be say if family self na very big family. Don't be person now where they talk your own now. Say person where you date. They describe your own guy for your hand. Say no be that one where you date. Say no, not that one. You get one guy where they toast me that time. My people. I don't first talk the story. I want to say it again. If you see this guy, he be like actress, he be like artist. I've been away to call him. Queen, not all men like that kind of thing. Some guy like calm girls, like my son. They like calm girls. My daughter-in-law is very calm. Now let that one. Me not calm. I not calm. Yeah? I not calm. Not me say I be person where they make trouble. Say maybe I will come they drink, they craze, they go for outside. Or I be person where they do problem, they do casino for us. I not be that side. I know they look for person trouble. As you see me, so I did like when I'll just if they break now, as today been as they break, I don't clean all my house, arrange my room, do everything, cook. I go post the video. Thanks for joining my lady Obava. I'll post the video. Wait till I eat today, fry yam and chicken wings. I do sauce now I eat before I on this live video. I so they do my things, I'm minding my business. I don't get anybody who will come they shut up and down for my house or me and person will come they get issue. But see, as I did my own and somebody go just come from nowhere. Say like one lizard way from silly fall for ground, come they accuse me of something where I don't know one, no two, or something when I know say this thing I saw it take play. You want to turn for my head. For national TV, you want to turn for my head. Say, okay, me no can get sense. I don't know what they do. Forget that thing. I go collect this sense first. Where I get, I go drop one for grant. I'll go bring my way. Come outside, face you. Now they get me. So Asaboro, being calm, you not even calm. Yes, if you can come out and say a lot of things for your video about your guy, and not even a gay come out, come call that Infinity Saga, say your guy, your man. You know, say we will be the single association. We don't like that word. My man. We don't like him. Don't do that. You know, be baby. I know, say maybe just they do want to pepper some group of people, but they don't reach. They don't reach. You when you call the talk, say you get man. You know how many people you pursue come up for your side. You know how many people they eye you, responsible people. It's your right to speak in that situation. Thank you, Mama. You understand? Asaboro, don't come out again. Can they do? Now my guy, don't say it was the mistake. The only mistake you made was to go and date Infinity Saga. Tell us, he used just to touch you. I take grief for that. You explain to her like you just say he blessing a jazz. You know, you be no one data. We find out say Monica their group they use jazz. If you be saying a jazz, they take touch you. A lot of things is going on with you. Let these people come, they turn your brain, come, they turn you to say, like, say, you don't know what you they do. Okay, go see Monica fake accounts. Now, this one also go to Monica fake account. I see some of una way they swear, say, make Asaboro can swear. If that guy, way he talk, na he be Infinity Saga. Some of una don't even they swear for una platform. Uwa ya mwe begbuwa, una way say una they support Monica. Una dead here, inner concourse where they talk inner concourse, una name they inside. All these 10K bloggers where Monica gets, where they share small foul bed for every Christmas. She's my husband. Who be your husband again? The Infinity Saga. Say, now so this our beautiful sister Queen Tom Frank Victor. That's here where he be the toaster. Yes, ma. Hey, thank you. So what you still remember me? May I say talk Frank on sumo. Now so may they do, may go come for you. Now so they want you, they no fit sleep on. My sister, use the tears anyway if you don't pass. Yes, use the tears, stress some. Make sure say you stress some. Any man will not fit collect stress from you, no deserve you. Yes, so what if they suffer, know what you they suffer for. If they imagine now people were married Frank, you know say every day they saga them. You know say every day they beat them. It may be that Mama Kevin, you don't stress Frank during the time where they toast her. Or guys, Zozoleka, Ludo, Eran, hey. So even if she now herself, when they pass through any stress or for the marriage, you know what to pay her. Don't be say, till tomorrow, now what if Frank they hate me? That say me, I be wish, I be lie, I be this. Because say, if me follow the Italy, me na, me no we naga, imo we na yaga. I not get, even Frank will be real normal, you might be why I see say, corona, you might be not be AI. I not still grief for her. Talk less of fake account, we can't come out with, his name go be Abeni go. You can't write me say, my name na, that account is fake. Is fake. That Abenigo is fake. But my real name is Undobisi Unduka. This or this. I've been seeing you. I've been watching. Easy, Miss Alobu. I mean, you give it time to talk all those things. They go. Where worry, no problem. Thank you for supporting me. My fearfulness. I'm a very busy person. I mean, you are going to go to watch me. I'll go YouTube, go they watch. I don't do all those. Even if it's because of money, I know. I already go carry tasks, go carry tomatoes, stay cook, pasta shop. Then to come they say me. If I really say make I dey as I take this, someone call they do some shower things. I don't see my way or buy me Jeep for this live video. Better car for this live video. I foresee carry breast, I go pump her. Come wear one small pint, come they dance, come by the shade. Wait all those one. Maybe they look all those things like rubbish. And they look like insecurity, like woman where you know they respect what you get. He said, on this ground, I don't support Asaboro on this matter. She no see any my again. Thanks for joining my lady Mama Jennifer. You understand? Very bad, Asaboro, my sister. A lot of people they vex for you for many things. You have to come and clear the air. Don't just say you want to go inside. Even if you know open Monica, why keep say Monica? But mind you, no reason I say you that will they use that thing until they threaten you, say, why they beg here, Monica will be say, you know many solicitors they don't pack paper, go give Monica. Monica now they waiting for for Netherlands, don't be case. Now you person when Netherlands don't label as a criminal. Not to be criminalization. Now you won't come the fear, say you won't do case with person. Now that kind of person won't do case with you. Person don't know if not right. Eh? And then don't leave us leave Monica Beku's face. If na me at this point, I'll face Infinity Saga. Yes. For him, you call yourself my guy. Come as I can't disrespect me in that manner. You work in media. Yeah, boy to your family now go they beg me say, Lao, see I agree. Lao, my God, son. Your own family now go come they beg on your behalf. When you away. You say to women they fight. What it call concern you? They mention your name. You know go face one before you go the toast presenter. You don't know say they go call your name. Come to think of it. Infinity Saga don't they live video before Asaboro. The time when Infinity Saga they carry people page, they destroy people page, they do what they do. Asaboro, were you there? No. Now you can't they beg for her. Wallah, was a boss Asaboro. How will you feel? Say one day you come find out say she be your page don't first loss for this those Asaboro. How you go feel say that your page you lost that time now? The man way carry your page, not only your page, a lot of other people page for this live video. Now me bring come and say I want marry. Then I will come they even they beg people say well at the end now the man say go see come on another platform. They insult me. How will you feel Asaboro? You when me no now you first come and say Queen Giave Nulawa. Volo go when I you understand? You can say that. I'm not going to even verse put because now person friend they tell person it is me. That guy of a thing, no now for all men where they this word. No, now wrong option. He said the man Asaboro is talking about is not Infinity Saga. Now Infinity Saga, Asaboro not be small picking my lady. My lady princess, Asaboro not be small picking. Before woman go open leg for man. You understand? I know they get to now. She can't even know the man family. So you want to tell me now, say, among those guys, sisters now, nobody fit no say the Infinity Saga. Or not be Infinity Saga among the man, brothers and sisters. Talk less of say, no one way with Asaboro, say, then with Asaboro they gist. So you mean say they know they gist about the social media, say, they never even fair talk anything way concern Infinity Saga. Now that guy be Infinity Saga, maybe he rename na Saga, he get another account will be Saga Kingstar. You see, get another one where they say they call Ambassador Selu King. Another one you see the way they call Ambassador Selu King. Whether a man or woman, I don't know. All those people. As you see, they saw those accounts. Now, pekus they find, they go pekus of presenters. Presenters. And meanwhile, I know how many temptations they don't set for me. Now, money. Then they give me money, woto. Yes, so you call first time with you call, you know, you say, please, you know, I don't want to talk much. I'm at work, but I will close very soon. Please just send me your email. Let me send you something. Someone will say, send me your name. Let me send you something. You know how much? 500, 200, 300 money. Why? Because they won't get that attention. They want me you feel say, oh, you know, say women, if you know, say if you want cash small pikin, you just give her, you just hold small fish for hand. If you send it, he knows that pikin will follow you anyway because of that fish. Now so they'll carry money face me like this. Men no mama. I'm not dead that one hungry, not they beat me, even though I not to get bought. No be no. I know they do all those things because I know say this social media, I don't come to stay. I come to stay on this media. You can see anything about me, say, oh, queen like this, Macbekus, and me now, Macbekus, you know if it generate AI. Because it go hard before you go see AI will go get like my tattoo for body. You see, are different for public. My tattoo. Some place where tattoo day. Make tattoo origin. You know if you deny that. So my sister, you don't wrong, eh? Even if just come and beg your fans. Okay? Beg your fans, explain this you with the Infinity Saga. If now only this one said, explain to them. How come about the relationship? Who is really this your Infinity Saga? Now true they talk, say na fake one. Is it true? Asaboro not go they do like that, eh? Not go they do like that. If another person just do this thing, so the time swear when I would swear, at the saga when I would saga that person. The swear when I would swear for that person, eh? Not be smarting. The only person now to prove Asaboro right is that Nelly did Nelly truly send a comment any video? You know, say the fight where Monica gets with those Nelly, those Asian people. If you remember video when I do, it's not last week, I talk about this issue. When I talk about Nelly Black and Monica. You understand? I tell Monica,